I'm going to show you how to fix the constant buzzing sound on a GE washer. If you have a GE washer that'll keep buzzing no matter what you push and you can't get it to exit, then this fix may be for you. I'm going to plug in the washer. And you can hear that buzzing sound. Doesn't matter if I open the lid. Doesn't matter if I try to stop it. Anything I hit, it just keeps buzzing. What you're going to want to do is plug in the washer, and you're going to want to enter diagnostic mode. To enter diagnostic mode, press and hold the start button. After 3 seconds, you're going to turn the knob 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let go of the start button. And now we're in diagnostic mode. And as you can hear, the buzzing did stop. Now this isn't a video on how to go through diagnostic mode and run the test. There's separate videos on YouTube to do that. But I'm simply trying to eliminate the constant buzzing and get back into my normal wash cycle. With the washer blinking in diagnostic mode, I'm going to now turn the dial 6 times clockwise. Until the test reads wash and rinse. I'm going to run this test. The washer will start to fill up with water and we'll run through a quick test. You can stop this test by turning the dial. This should be enough, so I'm going to exit diagnostic mode by pressing and holding the start button for 3 seconds. There's no lights flashing, so I am out of diagnostic mode. Now I'm going to test this out and try to run a load just like normal. This should fix the constant buzzing on your GE washer. This is only a temporary fix, and I've had to do this about once a month, but it's enough to get a load done